With the increased demand for delivery due to the current climate, RxOne is equipped to help you deliver safely to your patients and track the deliveries. First, you need to ensure that you're set up for deliveries. Go into RxOne Editor from your home screen and select Delivery Provider. Under your delivery provider, you can break your deliveries into groups. In this example, we will create in-house deliveries to be carried out by pharmacy staff and courier provider deliveries. Ensure that you tick the active tick box and that you select the delivery provider type. For deliveries being made by your own staff, select in-house deliveries, or you can select the appropriate provider from the drop-down menu if you are using a courier service. Ensure that the preferred tick box is selected too. Click Save, then go back into RxOne Editor from your home screen and select Delivery Packaging. In this example, we're going to create different delivery groups, such as morning and afternoon deliveries to patients and rest homes. You can set them up by clicking New. In the future, these delivery packaging groups can have preloaded packing types, reducing your input time further. If you're using couriers for your deliveries, you can create box sizes, add courier bag sizes, and select your preferred packing type. Create as many packaging types as you wish. You can select preferred packing types here, and this will pre-populate further deliveries in the future. Then click Save. Go back into RxOne Editor again, and this time select Delivery Status. You can create your different types of status here, such as Ready, In Transit, and Delivered. Sent to Provider means that you're sending the details through to your courier provider, should you be using one. Now that you're all set up for delivery, go into your point of sale screen and go up to Options, then select Always Enter Delivery Details. From here, process your item through the till in the usual manner. You should see the Deliver Sale box ticked in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Finish the sale and you will see the delivery box pop up. Enter your staff ID and the delivery module will open. From here, you can select where the delivery is going, to the patient or another person, the address, as well as the tracking number if you're using a courier for your deliveries, and any other important instructions for your delivery person. You can scan the tracking number using a barcode scanner directly into the tracking number box, and this information will also be available within the dispensing screen, like so. You can update any details for this customer simply by clicking on Edit Person. You can also select your provider and the package type, which we set up before, and set the delivery status, such as waiting, sent to provider, or delivered. Click Save All Deliveries. You will see the delivery status appear in your main point of sale screen, like so. To update the delivery status, you can highlight the deliveries you wish to update. For example, you may have had them all delivered by a staff member. You go up to File and select View or Edit Delivery for selected sales. This will take you back into the delivery module, and you can update the delivery status in the bottom right-hand corner. Print All Deliveries will print all the information about the deliveries under that particular provider. It includes the packing slip details, invoice number, address, and items in the delivery. This acts as a packing slip for you, and this will also include any shop items that may have been sent down through your online website if you're set up for this. This acts as a double check for you to ensure that you have all the correct items for your customer. If you would prefer to give your delivery staff a signing sheet, you can go back into your home screen and open Delivery Report. Select the date you wish to print off, and RxOne will print off a form that looks like this, which includes all the information about the patient, and then a box for staff to sign to say that they have delivered, and a box for the customer to sign, an option probably for future use. Due to the limited personal contact at this time, taking photos of delivered items is a good way to show confirmed delivery. This can then be filed or scanned onto your computer for future reference.